Hi and welcome to another progressive desk assembly video. Our Mini Ryzer is a compact electric standing desk that is ideal for small spaces. In this video, we will show you how to assemble the Mini Ryzer. You will need the following tools. An Allen wrench, which is included in the box. You will also need a power drill and, optionally, a Phillips head screwdriver. The first step is to unpack all of the components and lay them carefully on the floor. Step 1. Attach the bracket to the tabletop. Place the tabletop carefully on the floor with its bottom facing up. Align the bracket with the pre-drilled holes on the tabletop. Insert the screws and washers. Then, use the Allen wrench to tighten and secure the bracket to the tabletop. Step 2. Install the leg to the bracket. Insert the leg into the bracket and align the holes. Secure the leg to the bracket using 4 machine screws. Step 3. Secure and connect the remote and control box. Progressive desk tabletops does not come with pre-drilled holes for the remote and control box, which gives you the flexibility to choose your preferred remote and control box placement. Place the remote and control box at the desired location and mark all 4 holes locations. Then, use a power drill with a 5/32-inch drill bit to drill a hole half an inch deep at each location. Use 4 screws to secure the remote and control box. Step 4. Connect cables. Now, we are going to connect the cables. First, connect the remote to the HS port of the control box. Connect the power cord to the control box. Connect the cable from the leg to the M1 port of the control box. If the leg cable is not long enough to reach the control box, then use the provided extension cable to connect to the leg cable. Step 5. Install the base plate to the leg. Place the base plate with feet facing upwards onto the leg. Secure base plate to leg with provided screws. Tighten screws with Allen wrench and ensure the screws are flush with the surface of the base plate. Step 6. Flip the table lift upright and initiate the reset procedure. The last and final step is to initiate the reset procedure. It is critical to complete this step before using the table lift. First, flip the table lift upright and adjust the leveling feet to level the table if necessary. Proceed to the reset procedure after the table is level. Next, plug the table lift into a wall outlet for electrical power. Then, begin the reset by pressing and holding the down button on the remote. Keep holding down this button until the ASR message shows up on the remote screen. Once the ASR code is displayed, you then release the button. Press and hold the down button again until the desk fully retracts and bumps up a little bit. This indicates that the reset procedure has been completed. To set a preset location, move the table lift to the desired height. Press the M button followed by a numbered button. The LED display will flash an S, followed by an S and a number. This will indicate that the preset has been saved. To use a preset, press any of the numbered buttons and the table lift will begin to move to the preset position. It is important to ensure that no obstacles impede the motion of travel. To stop the table lift, press any button. Congratulations, you have now finished assembling the Mini Ryzer. Thanks again for watching.